Morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning. Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Huh? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. 24 have come, 27. Okay, let them all join. So, children, I think I have stopped by fraction, division of a fraction with another fraction, isn't it? Yes? Division of a fraction with whole number over. Yes?
Ma'am, study division with all whole number.
Division of a fraction by whole number. Then division of a fraction by mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction.
Convert the mixed fraction into
Good afternoon, ma'am.
and multiply. Isn't it? Yes, good afternoon. Okay. Huh? Then, okay. The next topic is what we have to take us. I think.
Mixed fraction we didn't study.
Huh?
Mixed fraction. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. To convert the mixed fraction into improper, then take it its reciprocal and all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So next one is division of a fraction by another fraction.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon. Had your lunch?
Good afternoon,
Huh?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't sleep in between. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I think almost all have come. And I'll give you some
Good afternoon, ma'am.
problems. Okay. Yes, good afternoon. So you can write down the notes. That is about fraction. To multiply a fraction with another fraction, you just take the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply it with the dividend. Okay. I'll explain. I shall explain. Yeah. Can you see the board, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll meeting. Okay. Now just write down the division of a fraction by another fraction. Division of a fraction by another fraction. Division of a fraction by another fraction. Just take this example, 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. Which one is the divisor here? Can you tell me which was the divisor?
Numerator.
Which is the divisor here?
4 by 3.
This is the fraction which is to be divided. So which is the divisor? This is the divisor, isn't it?
By 5.
So we have to take the
4 by
reciprocal
5.
of that. So 2 by 3 into 5 by 4.
5 by 4.
Take the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. So what is it? 2 by 3 into 5 by 4.
5 by 4.
Answer is?
Yes,
Answer
10
is?
by 12.
10 by 12.
12.
12. 10 by 12.
12.
You can reduce it. Okay. What is 10 by 12? Reduce it. Divide by?
Can you say one more time?
Isn't it? Common factor 2. Divide.
2. 5
5 by 6.
by
Good afternoon.
5 by 6.
5 by
5 by
6.
6.
5 by 6.
Can you explain one more time?
That is division of a fraction by another fraction. So this fraction we are dividing with another fraction. Okay, so which is the number which is the fraction which we are dividing? It is this fraction, isn't it? Which is the divisor? Divisor is this one.
4 by 5.
So we have to find the reciprocal of the divisor. What is it? 5 by 4 and multiply with the number. given, fraction given, that's all. So
Okay.
multiply, if you want to divide a fraction with another fraction, what you have to do is, you have to find the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply with that fraction. Okay, when you do one more example, you will understand. Next one.
Mom.
Yes. I'll change the color of the board. It's very, you can't use light colors. Okay. Now another one. Thirty divided by 40. 30 by 40 divided by 3 by 2. 30 by 40 divided by 3 by 2.
3/2.
What do you have to do? You have to find
30 by
the,
40 into 2/3.
yes, 30 by 40 into 2 by 3. That's all.
2/3.
30
60
by
by
40.
20. 60 by 20.
60 by
60 by
120.
30 by 40 into 2
60
by
by 120.
60 by
answer is
120.
60 by
60 by 120.
6 by
120.
12. 60 by 120.
So again you can divide it, no?
6 by 12.
Yes, we divide by 10.
3 by 4.
So
3 by 4.
6 by 12. Now which is a common factor? 6, no? 6 is a common factor. Divide by 6, what will you get? 1 by
By 2.
1 by
1 by 2.
reducing the fraction. I have reduced it to the lowest form. That's all.
Just we should write in the notes.
Yeah. All these things you have to write in the notes. Okay. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, don't drop, ma'am.
Class ida.
Hello. Okay. Next one. Next question is 55 divided by 33. 55 by 33 divided by 5 by 3.
55 by 33 into 3 by 5.
Divided by?
Divided by 5 by 3. 5 by 3. 55 by 33 divided by 5 by 3.
Man, 165 divided by 165.
What is the answer?
165 by
Divided by
165 by 165.
What is the answer?
165.
1 by 1.
1.
165 by
1 by 1.
1.
Answer is 1.
1.
Isn't it? So what you have to do is 55 by 33 into 3 by 5. Isn't it? So what will you get? 165 by 165. Answer is 1.
1.
Instead of that, just take this 55 by 33 into 3 by 5, isn't it? So this one, if I can interchange, isn't it? If you can write this, you can easily cut short. That's why I'm explaining. No need to follow this method. If you want, you can do. Those who are able can do this method. That's why I'm explaining. Okay. This
Okay, ma'am.
denominators you can interchange. Okay. Why? The sign is multiplication. Because denominators, if I write 55, both denominators are there for the numerators. 55 by 5 into 3 by 33 I can write. Isn't it? 5 into 11, 55. 3 ones are 3, 3 11s are 33. Here we took 5 as the common factor. Here we took 3 as the common factor. So 5 into 11, 55. 5 into 1, 5. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 11, 33. And this 11 and this 11 cancelled, answer 1. That way also, without doing multiplication, you can easily get the answer. Okay. Which one is
Ma'am, can
easy?
you do first way?
Okay. Which one is easy, you can do. Okay. It's not compulsory to follow this. I just explained. Those who can, okay, no problem. Otherwise also you'll get the mark. Next one. Okay. Who is speaking there? Please switch off the mic if you are speaking at home. 45 divided by 5 by 9. What is the answer? Yes.
Ma'am, should we write this question to the notes?
Yes. Whatever we are doing in the class is important. You have to write. Which one you need not write, I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, one.
Answer again, it is 1, isn't it? Good. Because 25 by 45 into 9 by 5 we will get, isn't it? So when you multiply, you will get 225
225 by
25.
25. Answer 1.
1.
Okay. Okay, let me take your attendance in between. I'll take attendance also. Ishal.
Ma'am, we can do both ways, right?
Both ways you can do. You can cancel it in between, no? Anyway, you can do it. No problem. What we do is like this, we'll cancel it like this. See, 25 by 45 into 9 by 5. No? See, common factor 9 and 45, common factor 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. 5 and 25, common factor 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25.
25.
Then this 5 and this 5 is cancelled. Then what is remaining? 1.
Ma'am, we'll do first way.
Okay.
Ma'am, we
So
start
first way,
before.
which one is easy, you can follow, no problem. This one after some time you will find it easy. That's why I explained. Without multiplication, you will get it easy. Sorry, did you finish it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one more question. No, this one is clear. No, multiplication of a flat fraction.
Yes, ma'am, that's clear.
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do some other type.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll give you some other question. Do it. Okay. Just find 7 by 3. Who is waiting? Find 7 by 3 divided by 2. 7 by 3 divided by 2. Find the answer. I told you always find the reciprocal of divisor. Okay. You have to find the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply. Which is the divisor here?
1 by 2.
2. Isn't it? Divisor is 2. So find its reciprocal. 7 by
1 by 2.
7 by
1 by
6.
6.
7 by
Multiply.
6. 7 by 6.
7 by 6. 7 by
By 6.
7 by 6.
There is 7 by 6. Okay.
6.
Now the next one is 3 and a half divided by 4. 3 and a half.
3 and a half.
3 by 5 divided by?
It is 3 and a half divided by 4. 4.
Ma'am, so
7 by 8.
Ma'am, 3 by 5, right?
Answer is
7 by 8. 7 by 8.
7 by 8.
7
Good.
by 8.
Answer is 7 by
8.
8. So we'll see how it is. 3 into 2, 6.
7
Yes.
3
by
into 2, 6.
6
Plus 1,
plus 1,
7.
7.
7 by 2. You
7.
change it into
7 by
improper
2.
fraction. Whenever you find a mixed fraction, before doing the operation, you change it into
7
the
by
Improper
fraction.
fractions.
Then divide by 4.
1 by 4.
7 by 2 into 1 by 4.
1 by
Find the reciprocal of the divisor. What is it? 1 by 2. And
1 by 2.
multiply
7
with
by
the
8.
reciprocal. Okay. So what will you get? Answer is
7 by 8.
7 by 8.
8. Okay. Next is it is easy. 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. What is the answer?
2 by 10.
Okay. Answer is 2 by 5 divided by another question is this one.
4
Divided
by
by
10.
1 and 1
4
by 2.
by
Okay.
10.
This one, what is the answer?
4 by 10.
2 by 5 into just multiply by the reciprocal, isn't it? So answer is 4 by
5.
4 by 5.
4 by
4
5.
by 5. Just multiply by the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of this? 2 by 1. Isn't it? So what will you get? 4 by
I have
5.
second one 6 by
What
10.
about this one? Second one?
Not 6 by 3 by 5.
3 by 5.
3 by 5.
5.
You got the answer as 3 by 5.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
4
No,
by
ma'am. 4 by 15. 4 by
What is
15.
the answer?
4 by 15.
4 by 15 is the correct answer.
4 by 15.
Correct answer. You can
4 by 15.
Yes, yes. 4 by 15 is the correct answer.
4 by
We
15.
see that is 2 by 5 divided by, convert it into improper
3
fraction.
by 2.
3 by 2. 3 by 2. Then multiply with its reciprocal.
2 by 3.
5 into
2
2
by
by 3. Isn't it? So
4
what is
by
the answer?
15. 4 by 15.
By 15. By 15.
4 by 15. 4
15.
by 15. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Another one. Next is 3 and 1 by 5 divided by 3 and 1 by 5 divided by 1 and 2 by 3. 1 and 2 by 3. Find out. 3 and 1 by 5 divided by 1 and 2 by 3. What is the answer?
Hmm, 25 by 46. 46.
Is
25.
it 25 by 48? Did you find the
48 by
Ma'am,
25.
46.
Ma'am, 15 by 80.
48 by 25.
48 by 25.
15 by 25.
25.
48 by
25.
See this, you convert. 3 5s are 15 plus 1. 16 by
48.
5. Isn't it? 16 by 5 divided by 1. 3s are 3 plus 2. 5 by 3. Isn't it? So what will you
Yes.
get? Multiply by its
We should
reciprocal.
find its
3
reciprocal.
by.
Into 3 by 5.
So what will you get?
48 by 25.
25.
48 by 25.
48
Ma'am,
by.
we
Yes.
have a mistake. Reciprocal of 60. Oh, okay.
Don't find reciprocal of this. Only divisors reciprocal. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't change both. Only reciprocal of the divisor. You should not touch the dividend. Only the divisor. With what you are dividing, find its reciprocal and multiply.
8 by 25.
Answer is 48 by 25.
25.
Next one. 2 and 1 by 5 divided by 1 and 1 by 5. Find out.
Five 55 by 30.
Yes.
55 by 30.
55 by 30.
5 by 30.
55 by 30.
50 by
55 by 30.
55 by 30.
55 by
Cut
30.
short. Cut short, no?
11 by 6.
What is it?
5 by 6.
5
5 by
6 you will
6.
get?
11 by 6.
11 by
11 by 6.
5 by
You will
6.
be getting 11 by 6. Isn't it? 11 by 6.
Yes.
5 is a 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. Proper
yes.
fraction. Divided by 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. Isn't it?
Yes.
11 by 5 into 5 by
5 by
6.
6.
So you can either you can cut off this and write 11 by 6 as answer, or you can multiply and write the answer, then cut short. 1 minute. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so what is it? 11 by 5, 11 by 5 into 5 by 6.
5 by 6.
What you will get? 55 by
5 by 30.
30. Common factor?
Smallest
by
form
five.
1 by 6.
Common factor 5.
5.
11
So
by
when you divide by 5, 11 by 6.
30 divided by 5.
11 by 6.
You can get
11
it
by
like
6.
this also.
11 by 6.
Here children?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This is all about division of a fraction by another fraction.
Fraction.
Okay. So let us pass on to decimals.
Yes.
You
Yes,
all
ma'am.
have studied decimals in smaller classes, no? From
Yes.
standard 4th, 5th and 6th you have studied what are decimals, place value, etc. So let us
Yes.
start with place value and with an example. Okay, so you should tell me the answer. I'll show a chart. We can fill it. Then it will be a revision for the decimals. Decimals. We are going to start with decimals. Heading. Decimals. Write the heading decimals. Now, no need to write this chart in the note. Okay. Whatever you want to write in the note, I'll be giving on the board now. This no need to write in the note. Okay. This is just for a revision I have taken. So listen to this. Just we'll have a look at it. Okay. Let me check why all are there. Yeah. Okay. Now I think you can see. Listen, hundreds place 2, tens place 5, ones place 3, and tenth. What does it mean? It means 1 by 10. Tenth. TH. Okay. Then hundredth means what? 1 by 100. Thousandth. Means 1 by 1000. Okay. So what is the number? 253. Here when 1 by 10 come, we put a decimal point. Point. See this? Point. Okay. So we read this as 253.147. See this? Okay, that number is 253.147. What is the next number? Can you tell me?
629.321.
1. Okay. 629.321.
1.
Okay.
43
Next one.
point.
Next one.
3
Why? Because
Point.
hundreds place, hundreds place it is 0.
192.
Yeah, hundreds place it is 0. So no number there. So we start with tens place. 43.192.
1.192.
92. Okay, next one. Which will be
514.
number?
514.
514. Hundreds place, tens place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. Then 1 by 10th place is 0.2. Then 1 by 100th place will come 0.25, isn't it? Then when it comes 1, it becomes 0.25.
251.
Means 5,000. Okay. Next one.
136.512.
724, isn't it? 7.
724.503.
503.
Next one. 6.
614.326.
Now what is the last number? Tell me.
10
Last.
10.530.
10 point. 10.53.
530.
Okay. So that is, so you know the place value. Now I'll give you another problem for doing it. You have to expand the number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll give the number. You have to expand it. Write down. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Children, at 2:05 I'll be leaving, then at the same time I'll be entering also. Okay. So you have to enter again.
Is the same chapter but another topic, right?
Same chapter but another topic, that's all. Okay, at 2:05 I'll be leaving, then you have to, I'll be entering that time itself you have to
Okay,
enter.
ma'am.
Once more you have to enter.
Okay, ma'am.
Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. The number is this 625.012. What is it? How will you write it in the expanded form?
600 plus into 100
5
2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. 110 plus
1 by
2 1
1 by
Okay, I understood everything.
200.
Everybody is answering. So, okay, so we'll write it as 6 into
100.
100 plus
200 plus
2 into
2 into
2
10
into 10
plus
5
5
into
plus 5 into
1
1
plus
1 plus
0 into 1 by
0
10
into 1 by
0 into 1 by 10
plus
1
plus
by
1
10
1 into
1
1
by 100 plus 2 into 1 by
1 by
1000.
2 into 1 by
1
1000.
by 1000. See, 2
1000.
zeros will come. 3 places are there, so 3 zeros will come. See it? Okay. Now next one, one more question. 3125.3157. Yes. 3125.3157.
3 into 1000
1000
into
plus
1000
plus 1 into 100 2 into 10
3 into
1 into 1
into 1 by 10
point
Into 1 by 10
into 1
into 1 by 100
plus
5 into 1 by 1000
by
1000 plus 7 into
1000
plus
plus 3 into 1 by 10
10
plus
plus
1 into 1 by 100
100
plus 5 into 1 by
1000
plus 7 into 1 by
10,000
10,000.
isn't it? So this is how the expanded form is written. You have studied in lower classes all these things.
Yes,
I just had a revision, that's all. Okay, so we'll pass on to addition and subtraction of decimals. Clear, children? Addition and subtraction of decimals. Before that, I am leaving.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll leave and enter now itself. Okay.
bye
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
okay ma'am.
No, bye. I am entering. I am entering now. Again, you have to enter. After that only I'll take the test.
Anyway, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
See
Bye,
you
ma'am.
soon,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Just 1 minute. I'll leave. Then you can enter. Wait.
Thank you.
See you soon, ma'am.
Okay. Leaving.
Bye, ma'am.